Hi and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I want to show you how to make this front tie top using my new sewing pattern called Gabrielle. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. To start, pin the front panels to the back panel on the sides. Then repeat the same steps with the other front panels. Next, place one panel on top of the other, right side to right side. Sew them together and left the bottom seam open. Then turn the top inside out and roll the seams to get a nice shape and finish with an iron press. To finish, you want to tuck in 1 centimeter of the seam allowance inside and top stitch. And that's it, your own perfect and simple to make top using my Gabrielle pattern. Thanks for watching.